In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable voice isolation feature for your phone calls. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, make sure you are on iOS 16.4 or later. To do that, open up Settings, General, Software Update, and then check for the latest iOS update. On my device it says iOS 16.4, and then I can go to the phone app and let's call somebody. Once you are on a phone call, you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center, and it shows mic mode standard. You can tap on that, and that's where you can change mic mode to voice isolation, just like that. That will clear your voice and remove any background sounds. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.